From the icy plains of Antarctica to the sun-drenched shores of the Galapagos Islands, there exists a group of birds uniquely adapted to a life at sea. Penguins, with their waddling gait and tuxedo-like plumage, might seem comical on land, but beneath the surface of the water they transform into agile and powerful swimmers. Join me as we delve into the fascinating world of these aquatic birds, uncovering the evolutionary marvels that allow them to thrive in some of the harshest environments on Earth. Penguins, unlike any other bird, have made the ocean their true home. Over millennia, their wings, once designed for soaring through the air, have been reshaped by evolution into powerful flippers. These flattened hydrodynamic marvels, resembling the wings of an aircraft, propel them through the water with incredible speed and agility. Their streamlined bodies, like torpedoes slicing through the water, further reduce drag, allowing them to navigate the currents with effortless grace. And then we have their webbed feet, acting as rudders, guiding them through the underwater terrain with precision. Every feature, from their dense waterproof feathers to their unique bone structure, speaks volumes about their remarkable adaptation to a life largely at sea. These are not birds simply dipping their toes in the water. These are creatures who have conquered the ocean depths. Hold your breath and imagine diving down, down, down into the cold, dark depths of the ocean. This is the world penguins know intimately, a world where sunlight fades and pressure mounts. Some species, like the emperor penguin, can plunge to astonishing depths of over 500 meters in search of food. Their bodies have evolved to withstand these extreme conditions. They have a special adaptation in their blood that allows them to store more oxygen, enabling them to hold their breath for remarkable periods. Penguins are carnivores, their diet consisting mainly of krill, squid, and fish. Their beaks, armed with sharp edges and backward-pointing barbs, are perfectly designed to snatch slippery fish and squid in the blink of an eye. When we think of penguins, our minds often conjure images of vast icy landscapes, the frozen realms of Antarctica, where the ice stretches as far as the eye can see. And it's true, this continent, with its harsh beauty and extreme conditions, is home to several penguin species. But penguins are far more adaptable than their icy reputation suggests. They are not confined to the cold. They've established colonies across the southern hemisphere, showcasing their incredible adaptability. From the windswept islands of the sub-Antarctic, where the weather is unpredictable and harsh, to the warmer shores of South America, Africa, and Australia, where the climate is much milder, and even the Galapagos Islands, a place known for its unique wildlife. Imagine the contrast: penguins basking in the tropical sun. It's a sight that defies our usual expectations. Their ability to thrive in such diverse environments speaks volumes about their resilience and adaptability. Penguins are highly social animals, often seen interacting and communicating with each other. They live together in colonies that can number in the thousands, even millions in some cases, creating a bustling community. These colonies provide safety in numbers, a crucial strategy for protection against predators and the elements. This collective living arrangement is essential for their survival in harsh conditions. It's a testament to their social nature and their ability to cooperate, thriving in a variety of challenging environments from the icy Antarctic to the tropical Galapagos. And Chapter 4. Dedicated parents sharing the parenting load. In the animal kingdom, parenting responsibilities often fall heavily on one parent, usually the mother. This is seen across many species where the mother is the primary caregiver, nurturing and protecting the young, but penguins, once again, defy expectations. They stand out as a remarkable exception in the animal world. These dedicated parents believe in sharing the parenting load, exhibiting remarkable cooperation in raising their young. Both male and female penguins take turns in nurturing and protecting their offspring. Take the emperor penguin, for example. Their parenting strategy is a true marvel of nature. In the depths of the Antarctic winter, when temperatures plummet and blizzards rage, these extraordinary creatures choose the harshest time to breed. It is a time when survival is most challenging. The males, huddled together for warmth, incubate the single egg laid by the female, balancing it carefully on their feet and tucked under a brood pouch for warmth. This act of incubation is a delicate and crucial task. For 2 months, the males endure the unforgiving conditions without food, while the females journey to the open sea to hunt. The male's dedication during this period is nothing short of heroic. Upon the female's return, they take over chick-rearing duties, regurgitating food for their growing offspring. This seamless transition ensures that the chicks are well fed and cared for. This shared responsibility ensures the survival of their offspring, a testament to their commitment and the strength of their pair bonds. The emperor penguin's cooperative parenting is a beautiful example of teamwork and dedication in the animal kingdom. Chapter 5. A Symphony of Sound, the Language of Penguins. Imagine standing amidst a bustling penguin colony, thousands of birds calling out, each voice contributing to a grand cacophony. It's a chorus of squawks, chirps, and whistles filling the air, creating a unique soundscape. It might seem chaotic to our ears, but for penguins, it's a symphony of communication, each sound carrying meaning and purpose. This is a language as nuanced and complex as any spoken by humans, with each vocalization serving a specific function. Penguins use a variety of vocalizations to communicate with each other, from loud trumpeting calls to softer, more intimate sounds. These trumpeting calls can be heard for miles, signaling their presence and intentions. Meanwhile, the softer sounds are reserved for their mates and chicks, fostering close bonds and ensuring family cohesion. Once paired, penguins develop a unique call, a duet of recognition that helps them locate each other amidst the throng. This duet is crucial for maintaining their bond, especially in the crowded and noisy environment of the colony. And when parents return from foraging trips, their chicks recognize them instantly by their calls, a remarkable feat. This recognition is a crucial bond in a sea of black and white feathers, ensuring the chick's survival. These vocalizations are not just about survival, they are a testament to the penguin's intelligence and their ability to form complex social bonds. Through their calls, penguins navigate their social world, maintain relationships, and ensure the well-being of their community. Truly, the language of penguins is a fascinating symphony of sound, reflecting their intricate social structures and deep emotional connections. Chapter 6. A World in Peril. Threats to penguins. Penguins, despite their resilience and adaptability, are facing an uncertain future. Climate change, with its rising temperatures and melting ice, is perhaps the most pressing danger. For species like the emperor penguin, who rely on stable sea ice for breeding and raising their young, the shrinking ice caps are a cause for serious concern. Loss of habitat driven by human activities such as overfishing and pollution is another major threat. Penguins rely on healthy oceans for their food supply, and the degradation of marine ecosystems directly impacts their ability to survive and thrive. Oil spills, entanglement in fishing gear, and the introduction of invasive species further compound these threats. Conservation efforts are underway worldwide to protect these remarkable creatures and their fragile habitats. Chapter 7. Penguin Curiosities, Fun Facts and Quirks. Penguins, with their charming waddles and dapper attire, are full of surprises. Did you know that penguins engage in a behavior called tobogganing? Instead of walking on their feet, they often slide on their bellies across the ice and snow, using their feet and flippers to propel themselves forward. This hilarious mode of transportation is actually quite efficient, allowing them to conserve energy and move quickly across icy terrain. And speaking of surprises, did you know that there are 18 recognized species of penguins? Each species has its own unique characteristics, from the stately emperor penguin to the tiny little blue penguin. Penguins are also known for their social behavior, often forming strong bonds with their mates and fellow penguins. These fascinating behaviors and adaptations make penguins truly unique and endearing creatures. Chapter 8. Stars of the show: Notable Penguin Species. From the icy plains of Antarctica to the volcanic landscapes of the Galapagos Islands, different penguin species have adapted to thrive in a variety of habitats. The emperor penguin, the largest of all penguin species, stands as a symbol of endurance, braving the harshest conditions on Earth to breed. Their epic journeys across the frozen continent to reach their breeding grounds and their remarkable parental care are a testament to their resilience. Then there's the Adelie penguin, known for their comical waddles and their feisty personalities. These smaller penguins are highly social and incredibly adaptable, thriving in the challenging conditions of the Antarctic Peninsula. The king penguin, with its distinctive orange ear patches, is another notable species. Living near the equator, the Galapagos penguin proves that penguins are far more diverse than their icy reputation suggests. As we come to the end of our journey into the world of penguins, we are left with a sense of awe and wonder. These remarkable creatures, with their unique adaptations, their unwavering resilience, and their charming personalities, never fail to capture our hearts. May we all strive to be better stewards of our oceans and our planet, ensuring that future generations can continue to marvel at the wonders of penguins, the underwater flyers of our world.